So I reached the place. I believe they're over there. I don't see anybody else on the lake bed except I see somebody out there, somebody way over there. But the largest group of knuckleheads is over there. I believe that's them. So I've got to ready the truck. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I'm also going to ready myself. Okay, since this is a Camp Gray Skull event, and here we go. Yeah. Arr, I need flexing me antenna. I gotta keep it down under 2 knots. We've got a breeze off the starboard bow.
Back. What's going on?
Hey, these guys over here with us?
Yes, all of them. Yeah. Yeah.
Arr.
There's Jen. Adam's over there at the end. Are you looking for buried treasure?
Arr.
Need some booty?
So all these guys are here for the same. SDs. Have you launched any rockets yet?
Yes, we just did a Scud missile launch. We launched it like sideways in the wind, and it didn't have time the parachute open or anything. But you can see this on its version flight. It landed dirt first.
Where's the launch pad? Oh, that.
We got right here. So this is this is our enemy base. We're fighting those guys over there. We're playing the Iranians right now. Those rich Americans have tons of missiles. This is Ahmed, my son.
How you doing? Noah.
Noah.
Nice to meet you.
This is Alan.
Hi, matey.
No, I think you look more like a terrorist, dude.
Woo! Scud missile.
Okay, that's all you get. My name is Stevie, by the way, and I'm in Burbank.
Oh, there. Open up. Here it comes. Here it comes. Beauty. It's coming down. Man, that brings back memories.
Like, why are you suddenly turn into like a Puerto Rican? I don't know. It's in my hair
Dude, El Raj is freaking.
About a quarter click out.
But it's like that nervous like energy. You can seem that way.
Nice.
We have touchdowns from the garden, onion from the grocery store, and pork chop from the grocery store. From all over there. Pork chops, cactus, and onions. Help yourself, Steve.
Okay.
And lemonade, homemade lemonade. Steve showed up, Desert Steve. The rocket launch continues. A variety of books here. Camping, Wilderness Survival, SAS Survival, Wildwood Wisdom, SAS Survival Guidebook, and Primitive Wilderness Living Survival Skills. I've checked this out from the library many times, but these were given to me by a friend of mine named Bob, who's passed away a while back, and his wife wanted me to put some of this stuff back in circulation amongst the people he knew. So I'm going to go do so right now. Bob, these are going back in use. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Joey,
I'm good. There'll be more coming around from another part.
these are shish kebabs with what?
Teriyaki.
Steak, mushrooms,
Yeah.
onions, bell pepper.
It's called Lisa's Delight.
Lisa's Delight.
Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good.
It is.
That was good.
Yeah, better than those tasty bites you eat, huh?
Oh, yeah. Those tasty bites are good. but I can't cook.
Look at the dog.
On the rocket?
It's got a camera on it. The old ones had the old ones had one in the nose cone, and it'd click a picture when it'd go up and it'd pop open, and the shoe would pop it. It'd click a 110.
Wait, it's taking off.
A 110 photo. Here you go. Where's the chute? Where's the chute? Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Coming hard and fast.
Coming in fast.
Right there. Right there. Four.
Coming in fast. Huh. DJ wanted to get it. Hey, Jen.
Totally,
Jen.
yes, yeah.
Crab claws.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Look at all that. We won't starve.
A little $100 to tempt Jen with.
Yeah, that's my kind of food.
Mr. Goodbar. Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah. Oh, I won't starve.
Also, he brought filet mignon.
So this is a combination fireworks, Estes rockets, and Camp Grayskull get together. But I don't know any of these people.
None of these people.
So whatever they're doing, I'm in no control of that.
Yeah, how did you meet all these?
You hear that, Steve? Steve Nalbandian? Now, I don't even know him. His name is Steve Nalbandian. That's all I know. So. I'm out here walking in the middle of nowhere. I mean, absolutely nothing around. And I found a spring. I was looking for sidewinders. I want to get a sidewinder on video. And I found a spring. You can see where people have dug it up over the years. There at the bottom, there's trickling water. Barely any left, but if you dig down, there's a spring. So look at this, an oasis in the middle of this. I found the spring by this dig. See this dig? My nephew's son collects rocks. I'm out here getting him some really cool quartz and some really nice rocks, and looking for sidewinders, and partaking in the festivities.
What does this barrage
Okay, look at
candle
this.
do? The effects.
The mother of all blunts. But look at this. Look at this roll of firecrackers. 10,000 firecrackers.
It's heavy. It's
yeah, that's
you gotta be careful.
You made this one?
Yeah.
Homemade?
No, it's not homemade. That's from the store.
Remember these old Estes rockets? I had this exact launch pad. And I had one with a 1 3/4 diameter, 2.5 inch diameter, I think. Mine was pretty standard. Last time I launched mine was at Sonora High School. I sold it at a yard sale. You gonna launch it?
Yep.
Right on. They just launched one, and they launched one. And theirs landed way out there, and theirs blew up right there. This is one string of firecrackers. This is one string. That right there is one pack. This is one string. Look at this. Fire hose action. Look at that. And they're double. So you got one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Just like the pack of 16. There you go. That's what you're looking at. Look at this. I think he said it's 50 feet of firecrackers. 10,000 firecrackers. We got Husker do's, Husker don'ts. No snakes and sparklers here.
No. We got 20 of these mortars too. These mortars, we got 20 of them.
Any light?
Well, the
Look at that sundown. Incredible. And look, it's reflecting out here. I can't wait to watch Alan video. I'm too busy making sure. Crab claws and butter and lemon. We're set. Put out a dry lake bed. We have a cracker.
Smash it. Smash it.
Marshmallows good?
Yeah. I'm just trying to just cook plain marshmallows because nothing's better than a plain old cooked marshmallow.
Yeah. Except maybe crab.
Wait, do you have any snake stories to tell?
I use the mix.
Oh!
Hey!
Woo! Woo!
oh shit!
Woo!
It just has to be 100%.
I'm not too sad yet.
Woo! That was a Husker don't. Whoa! Look out! Look out! Look out! Whoa!
You might want to move that big stash of fireworks right next to it. Those embers might.
Woo!
Embers might light that big.
Woo! I don't know who these guys are. Don't blame me. It's not my thing. Look at that, Joe Dirt.
Whoa.
A kicking wing. Where's the sparklers and snakes?
Kicking wing. Kicking wing is over there trying to light some sparklers and snakes. We'll call you. Get some fireworks like they had. You gotta call you kicking ass.
There you go.
Kicking wing.
Whoa.
Woo!
That's gonna boom.
I love those.
Oh man, that face is hot.
At what point does that tin just start to melt?
Right.
Now.
Pull it over right there.
And then there were two. When the two lone survivors. Two-thirds of the people have taken off, but here's a look at the area. We're leaving it cleaner than when we got here. We're taking out the cans and some broken glass. But here's a look at the area. This is all we've left, and it just nothing here. Just coals. Where we dumped out the bin, scattered. It's all wet. Cleaned up the mess that was out here. We got here. There's nothing left. We got everything.